In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and embed HTML code on Google Sites in 2025. Whether you want to insert custom widgets, styling, or interactive features, this step-by-step guide will make the process super simple. First, open up the Google site where you'd like to add your code. On the right-hand panel, you'll see different options. Click on the Insert tab, and from there, select Embed. A pop-up window will appear with two choices: by URL and embed code. Since we're working with custom code, go ahead and click on Embed Code. Now, in the text box that appears, paste your HTML, JAVASCRIPT, or CSS code. Once you've added it, hit Next. Google Sites will generate a preview so you can check if everything looks correct. If you're happy with the preview, click Insert to add the code block directly to your page. You can drag it around, resize it, or position it exactly where you want. Finally, when you're done adjusting, click Publish at the top right corner. This will make your embedded code live on your Google site for everyone to see. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you can easily embed any custom HTML code into your Google site and take your website to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.